Kohberger, the man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students, including one who has ties to the Valley, was back in court.
Kohberger's defense team is trying to delay the trial, which is set to begin in August. Fox's Kennedy Hayes joins us live outside of the courthouse in Boise. Kennedy, what happened today?
Hi, John and Mark. Well, there were 2 hearings today. One was open to the public. I sat inside the courtroom, and the other one was closed. Now, in that open hearing, Judge Steven Hippler did not make a decision on when the trial will start. However, he said it's very likely that it will remain on the start date of August 11th. And in addition, also in court, we heard from the prosecution and defense. They both weighed in on the media coverage in this trial and the schedule.
Continuance is necessary to protect his due process rights, his rights to a fair trial, his rights to effective assistance of counsel, rights to confrontation, Mr. Kohberger's right to present a full defense, and if it should come to it, a fair sentencing hearing and to be free of cruel and unusual punishment.
A scorched the earth investigation is not what's required, and on the record before the court should exercise its discretion to deny the motion.
More time to review evidence and look into family history, information they say could help him avoid the death penalty. They also pointed to a Dateline NBC episode they claim violated the judge's gag order and could taint the jury pool. The state pushed back, arguing a fair jury can be seated even with the media attention. Kohberger, wearing a white shirt, looked more expressive than usual in court. He's accused of stabbing 4 students to death in November of 2022 and could face the death penalty if convicted. There was also a closed hearing today on a sealed defense motion involving a possible alternative suspect. Now, the judge has not ruled on that motion or whether the trial date will change, but jury selection is scheduled to start July 30th. We know a total of 12 jurors will be seated in addition to 8 alternates. In Boise, Idaho, Kennedy Hayes, Fox 10 News.